Hello, hello, welcome to all the students. I am Captain Rail Sanjeev. Welcome to online classes from Government Degree College, Peddapalli. In the yesterday class, we completed separation of amines based on Hinsberg method. Today we are going to learn about electrophilic substitution reactions. In the last class, we have also covered halogenation reaction, that is bromination reaction. Today, the next electrophilic reaction, nitration. Nitration, direct nitration of aniline yields oxidation products in addition to the nitro derivatives. Moreover, in the strongly acidic medium, aniline is protonated to form the anilinium ion, which is meta-directing. That's why besides the ortho and para derivatives, significant amount of meta derivative is also formed. Generally, aniline first on reaction with the H plus, it turned as a anilinium ion. This particular anilinium ion is a meta-directing group. But here, aniline, please observe nitration on reaction with this particular HNO3 nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid gives more yield. More yield is para-nitroaniline, and meta-nitroaniline is a lesser amount. Very less amount is only 2% ortho-nitroaniline. However, by protecting group, by acetylation reaction, yesterday we discussed protecting groups, protecting group on attached on amine. In that case, protected, that pair of electrons are not participate in the cyclization, in the resonance formation. That pair of electron shared to oxygen atom, carbonyl oxygen atom. By acetylation reaction with acetic anhydride, the nitration reaction can be controlled and the para-nitro derivative can be obtained as the major product. In this particular reaction, by protecting group, we can produce major amount. We can produce major amount para-nitro derivative. The remaining attacking of nitro groups on ortho position and meta positions we can control with the use of protecting group, that is with the acetic anhydride. Is it clear? This is the reaction. Here, here actually nitration, the bromine is last reaction because mentioned here nitration. If it is nitration, same para-nitro. This is the protecting group, aniline on reaction with acetic anhydride. That acetyl group attached to the nitrogen. In this case, this pair of electrons are shared with the oxygen. Pair of electrons moves this side. In this case, pi bond cleavages, oxygen gets negative. It gives two resonance structures from this acetonylide. Is it clear? This is the with the acetic anhydride attacking of protecting group. This structure intermediate is called acetonylide. This acetonylide on reaction with the nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid, in that case that ortho and meta positions are blocked or protected, then the readily available the more electron density place is only para position. In that case, that particular nitro electrophile attacks on this para position only. On hydrolysis, we will get a para-nitroaniline. Para-nitroaniline. This is the reaction to formation of only para product. Is it clear? Now let us go to sulfonation. Sulfonation, here also we are using same, not protecting group. Aniline reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid to form anilinium hydrogen sulfate, which on heating with sulfuric acid at 453 to 473 degree Kelvin produces para-aminobenzene sulfonic acid, commonly known as sulfonic acid, as the major product. Here, please observe aniline on reaction with the sulfuric acid, that sulfuric acid bisulfate ion attacks on amine. Here, just like this intermediate is called salt-like structure, anilinium hydrogen sulfate. On heating, this compound will get a sulfonic acid. This is the para-aminobenzene sulfonic acid. Para-aminobenzene sulfonic acid, its zwitterion structure, this sulfonic acid, when the H plus ion on sulfonic acid group SO3H, H plus ion, if it is shifted to this side, that nitrogen electron shared with the to form NH bond, new NH bond, that nitrogen gets positive, SO3 minus. This compound, it contains positive, negative charged within the molecule. This is called zwitterion. Sulfonic acid, it exhibits another type of structure, that is zwitterion structure. And now let us go to another information. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reactions, that may be alkylation or acylation, due to salt formation with aluminum chloride. Aluminum chloride is the Lewis acid. Here aniline is a Lewis base because it donates pair of electron, which is used as a catalyst. Aluminum chloride is a Lewis base. That Lewis base participate in the reaction with the aniline, because that it does not undergo aniline, it does not undergoes in this particular alkylation, acylation, Friedel-Crafts reaction, because in this reaction we are using as a catalyst aluminum chloride. That catalyst undergoes in the reaction. Is it clear? Due to this, nitrogen of aniline acquires positive charge, hence acts as a strong deactivating group in the further reaction. Okay. Now let us go to another part. Amines, aromatic amines is also completed. Aromatic amines completed. Now let us go to another side heading, diazonium salts. Diazonium salts. Diazonium salts have general formula RN2X, R stands for alkyl group, R, R stands for aryl group, sorry. R stands for an aryl group, aryl benzene ring. Benzene, its name generally benzene diazonium chloride. Just now we discussed in the chemical properties of amines. In the chemical properties of amines, these diazonium salts, aryl diazonium salts generally produced in that particular from amines, aromatic amines. Okay. From aliphatic amines we can get diazonium salts, but those aliphatic amine diazonium salts are less stable. Here, aryl group, R is equal, R stands for aryl group, and X ion maybe, it may be chloride ion, bromide, bisulfate, BF4, etc. They are named by suffixing diazonium to the name of the parent hydrocarbon from which they are formed, followed by the name of anion such as chloride, hydrogen sulfate, etc. The positive group is called diazonium, N2 group. N2 group, it contains positive charge. For example, here C6H5 N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride, is the name as benzene diazonium chloride. C6H5 N2 plus and HSO4. If it is HSO4, bisulfate ion is attached with this particular diazonium. In that case, it is called as benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. Benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. In place of X, it may be halogen, or in some cases we are using bisulfate and potassium tetrafluorate. Okay. This is about benzene diazonium chlorides. Primary aliphatic amines form highly unstable alkyl diazonium salts. Just now we discussed. From aliphatic amines, also we'll get diazonium salts to form diazonium salts, but these diazonium salts are very unstable because it does not give various resonance structures from aliphatic diazonium salts. But here in aromatic diazonium salt, it gives, it contributes to various resonance structures. Is it clear? Primary aromatic amines form arene diazonium salts, which are stable. Arene diazonium salts are which are stable for a short time in solution at low temperature. The stability of arene diazonium ion is explained on the basis of resonance. This is the reason. This on the basis of contributing various resonance structures, the arene diazonium ion is very stable. These are the contributing possible resonance structures. Here, pi bond cleavages shifted this side. This pi bond shifted to this side. Negative charge and positive charge here. Next pi bond shifted. Here, charge on para position. Next pi bond shifted. Charge on ortho position. Positive charge on ortho position. These are the contributing resonance structures from arene diazonium ion. But we cannot produce from alkyl diazonium ion, we cannot write various resonance structures because it is unstable. Is it clear? Because it is unstable. Now let us go to method of preparation. Here, methods of preparation of diazonium salts. Here, please observe. This is very important reaction. Only one of the preparation in our syllabus. Next, we will go to physical properties. Physical properties. Please concentrate on this particular preparation. Here, all of you, is there any doubt in these resonance structures? Once again, I will tell clearly. Once again, please concentrate. Here, diazonium, this is the positive charge on nitrogen. Around this positive charge, that X minus rotates around the positive charge. X minus, it may be chloride, bromide, bisulfate ion, always rotates around the positive charge. Okay, this is the original structure of benzene, diazonium and chloride, halide. From this here, if the pi bond electrons shifted to in between Cn here, immediately cleavage of this particular pi bond, extra pi bond, the terminal nitrogen gets negative here, negative. Here this orthocarbon, here loss of electron, because that particular orthocarbon gets positive, positive. This is the type of resonance structure. From this, the remaining same, only this adjacent pi bond electron shifted to this side, here in between these two carbons, to form a new pi bond. New pi bond. Is it clear? That para position carbon gets positive, Is it clear? This is another type of resonance structure of diazonium ion. Next, another pi bond. This pi bonded electrons shifted to in between these two carbons to form a new pi bond. Okay, new pi bond. Here, that particular orthocarbon gets positive. From this we can write original structure. In what way? Here, please observe that particular terminal negative charge on nitrogen again shifted to inner side. This Cn pi bond, in between Cn pi bond, breakage takes place and that electron shifted to this side, and this orthocarbon gets neutralized. This is the we'll get original benzene diazonium structure from this. Is it clear? We'll get a original benzene diazonium ion structure. Okay. This is about arene diazonium ion. Arene diazonium ion exhibits these resonance structures. Based on this, the stability of the aromatic diazonium salt is more when compared with the primary amines. Is it clear, all of you? This is the clear information. Now let us go to it is the time for preparation. Methods of preparation of diazonium salts. Just now I told that this is only preparation, only one preparation in our syllabus. Please concentrate this particular preparation. Benzene diazonium chloride preparing from aniline. This is the starting material, aniline, our primary amine. In the last topic we covered primary amine, C6H5NH2, primary amine. Is it clear? Primary amine we are using from primary amine to form benzene diazonium chlorides. Okay, the starting material is primary amines. Here please observe in the reaction part. Benzene diazonium chlorides is prepared by the reaction of aniline with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 degree Kelvin. Nitrous acid, here nitrous acid is involving in the reaction. Nitrous acid is the active species. Active species is involving in the reaction. But here, please observe, here there is no nitrous acid. We are not observing nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is produced in this from this mixture. Here, what is that mixture? Here, sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid mixture. From this mixture, it produces that active species of nitrous acid. Nitrous acid actually involves in the reaction. Okay. Nitrous acid is produced in the reaction mixture by the reaction of sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. Just now I told that sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid on reaction with each other first to produce that particular nitrous acid, HNO2, not HNO3, HNO2, nitrous acid. Is it clear, all of you? HNO2 is produced in this particular step. That particular active species HNO2 is involved in the reaction. Okay, in the reaction. Next, the conversion of primary aromatic amines into diazonium salts is known as diazotization. This process is known as diazotization. Here, primary amine conversion into diazonium salt, benzene diazonium chloride. Primary amine conversion into diazonium salts is known as diazotization process. Is it clear? Due to its instability, the diazonium salt is not generally stored. The diazonium salts generally immediately used in the process, in the preparations, generally used. If you want that benzene diazonium chloride, we can prepare readily. It is not stored compound. Okay, the diazonium salt is not generally stored and is used immediately after its preparation. Yeah, is it clear? It is not stored compound. Generally, for the usage of before using time, we will prepare benzene diazonium salts from aniline. This is about method of preparation of diazonium salts. Now let us go to physical properties. Physical properties of this particular benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride is a colorless crystalline solid. Is it clear? It's a solid structure, solid compound, colorless compound. It is readily soluble in water. We know that it is a salt-like structure. Charges, positive, negative charges are there because it is easily soluble. it is easily soluble in water. Water is ionic solvent because easily soluble this type of salt like a structure, and it is stable in cold but reacts with water when warmed. It decomposes easily in the dry state. In the dry state, it decomposes. It breakages takes place because that it should be preserved in a cold condition. In dry state, it decomposes easily. It breakage takes place. Okay. That benzene diazonium fluoroborate, tetrafluoroborate, just now we discussed, it is also X in place of X. We can use chloro, bromo, and HSO4 minus bisulfate ion, and fluoroborate ion we can also use. This particular benzene diazonium fluoroborate is water insoluble. This particular diazonium salt is water insoluble. The remaining all easily soluble in water, insoluble and stable at room temperature. All those diazonium salts preserve stay at a cold condition, but it's stable at a room temperature. This particular fluoroborate, diazonium fluoroborate. Is it clear? Physical properties. Now let us go to chemical properties. Chemical properties of benzene diazonium chloride. Here please observe. The reactions of diazonium salts can be broadly divided into two categories. Here, categories means a involvement, displacement. It is depends on displacement of reaction, displacement of nitrogen, and retention of that particular nitrogen group, displacement of nitrogen group and retention of that particular nitrogen group. Two types of categories in this type chemical reactions part. What are those? Please observe. First one, reactions involving displacement of nitrogen. That particular ArN2X minus diazonium salt, arene diazonium salt, that nitrogen displaced, removed, okay, breakage from diazonium salt. That type of displacement, that type of reactions is the first one. Next type of reactions involving retention of diazo group. That particular diazo group as it is, there is no change, there is no breakage. Here we will observe these two types of reactions one by one. Please concentrate. Please observe the reaction part. First type of reaction we will discuss today. Reactions involving displacement of nitrogen. Diazonium group being a very good leaving group is substituted by other groups such as chloride, bromide, cyanide and hydroxy, which displace nitrogen from the aromatic ring. The nitrogen formed escapes from the reaction mixture as a gas. Here, please observe. This replacement, this displacement, this this displacement of nitrogen as a nitrogen gas, it removes, it breakages as a nitrogen gas. It releases as a nitrogen gas from diazonium salt and replaced by halogen, replaced by any halogen. It may be chloride, bromide, iodide, or cyanide, or hydroxy. All these uh, ions replaces this particular diazonium place. Okay. Replacement by halide or cyanide ion. Halide or cyanide ion. The Cl minus, Br minus, chloro, bromo, and cyano nucleophiles. These are all nucleophiles, negative charged species, nucleophiles, can easily be introduced in the benzene ring in the presence of copper ion, cuprous ion, in the presence of cuprous ion, Co plus 1 cuprous ion. Is it clear? In presence of this particular cuprous ion, cuprous chloride, cuprous bromide, cuprous cyanide we are using. That particular cuprous chloride ion replaced that nitrogen molecule as a nitrogen gas, removed as a nitrogen gas from the reaction. This reaction is called as Sand-Meyer reaction. This reaction is named as Sand-Meyer reaction. It is a name reaction. Please remember that this particular name reaction. Okay. Here please observe in the reaction part what type of ions displaced this particular diazo or nitrogen atom. Here arene diazonium halide, Ar N2 plus X minus, arene diazonium halide on reaction with cuprous chloride in presence of hydrochloric acid to forms chlorobenzene, chloroarene. Okay, chloroarene. Here this particular nitrogen is displaced from diazonium salt. Here please observe, N2 gas releases from this reaction. N2 gas released from this reaction. Next, same salt, diazonium salt on reaction with the cuprous bromide in presence of hydrogen bromide. Here also bromoarene, bromobenzene releases nitrogen gas. Here cuprous cyanide, same benzene diazonium halide on reaction with cuprous cyanide in presence of potassium cyanide, arene, cyanoarene. Okay, in this reaction it is also releases nitrogen gas. Is it clear, all of you? That particular chlorine or bromine can also be introduced in the benzene ring by treating the diazonium salt solution with corresponding halogen acid in presence of copper ion, copper powder. Here we are using directly copper powder. This is referred as Gutterman reaction. Just now we discussed Sandmeyer reaction, Gutterman reaction. What is the difference is Gutterman reaction? In Gutterman reaction we are using directly copper powder with concerned acid. Here same benzene diazonium chloride. Chloride bromide introducing displacement with this particular chloride or bromide displacement. Here also releases nitrogen gas. Arene diazonium halide on reaction with the copper powder, in presence of copper powder, and corresponding here in presence of acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid. What happened? This chloride displaced this nitrogen gas ArCl and nitrogen gas, that Cu bonds with X. Okay, cuprous halide. We are getting the same reaction. We are using HBr. Here we are using HBr, different reagent, same copper powder. Here we are using HBr instead of HCl. We are using HBr. Okay, the result compound is bromobenzene, chlorobenzene. Here also same loss of releases nitrogen gas and cuprous halide. The yield in Sandmeyer reaction is found to be better in these two comparison, Gutterman and Sandmeyer. The yield in Sandmeyer reaction is found to be better, more yield in Sandmeyer reaction when compared with the Gutterman, better than Gutterman reaction. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Replacement of iodide ion. Here iodine is not easily introduced into the benzene ring directly, but when the diazonium salt solution is treated with the potassium iodide, iodobenzene is formed. Here benzene diazonium chloride on reaction with the potassium iodide. Here we are using that iodide replacement, iodobenzene and potassium chloride. It in this reaction is also releases nitrogen gas. This is another type of replacement reaction by iodide ion. Another type of ion is there, replacement by fluoride ion. When arene diazonium chloride is treated with fluoroboric acid. Here fluoroboric acid, HBF4, fluoroboric acid, arene diazonium fluoroborate is precipitated, which on heating decomposes to yields aryl fluoride. In the next slide there is a clear-cut reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride, here fluoroboric acid, fluoroboric acid, arene diazonium fluoroborate, tetrafluoroborate is formed. Here on heating, this is the intermediate, unstable intermediate. On heating will get finally fluorobenzene and boron trifluoride. Here in this reaction is also releases nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas. Another two reactions are there. In the short time, we cannot complete for those reactions. Replacement of, this is about replacement of fluoride ion. Okay, is it clear, all of you? In the today's class, is there any doubt in all these reactions? In all these reactions, is it clear, all of you? Okay, students. Tomorrow we will meet at this same time. Please concentrate on this particular diazonium salts preparation. Only one of the preparation is there, major preparation. And in this reaction part, please concentrate. 2-3 name reactions are there. Please practice it. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.